Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel, Tax Tutorials for MSME. Marami nang available services sa online registration and update system or ORUS ng Bureau of Internal Revenue. Dito tayo sa secondary registration. Sa secondary registration, pwedeng mag-apply ng authority to print receipts or invoices, pwedeng mag-register ng books of accounts, pwedeng mag-apply ng registration of computerized accounting system, pwede din mag-apply ng permit to use loose leaf, and apply for cancellation of permits. Dito tayo sa application for authority to print receipts or invoices. Imbes na pumunta sa RDO, pwede nang mag-apply dito ng authority to print or mas kilala sa tawag na ATP. Okay, dito, fill up ATP form. Kapag sa manual application, ang dapat nating gamitin na form ay BIR form 1906. Okay. Kapag dito na kayo, makikita yung taxpayer information, yung TIN, registered name, RDO code, then registered address. Makikita din yung TIN, branch code. Kapag main, 000 ang branch code. Kapag branch, first branch is 01. Ang ina-apply ko ngayon na ATP ay para sa main, so click ko na lang validate. Business trade name. So, i-choose ang business trade name. Okay, nandito siya. Kung marami kang trade name, so, mag-appear din dyan yung trade names. Click continue. Click apply for authority to print. Pwede dito mag-search ng accredited printer. So, ang gumawa ng aking sample na layout. So, meron na ako ditong TIN number ng accredited printer. Pwedeng i-search ang TIN. Pag wala pa kayong accredited printer, dyan sa website ng BIR, mayroong list of accredited printers. Meron na silang email address and contact numbers. Click search. Ayan, lumabas na yung name ng aking accredited printer. Click select. Then click continue. Click add row. So, ang ina-apply ko ay bound receipt. Kind of receipts, principal, non-VAT yung taxpayer. Then, ang description is invoice. Reading service invoice. Number of booklets. Mag-apply tayo ng 10 booklets. Number of set per boxes or booklet, 50. Number of copies per set, 2. Starting serial number is 1. Kasi dati, yung kanyang gamit na resibo ay official receipt. So, mag-start na tayo ngayon sa starting serial number 00. 0001. Okay? Okay, from 001 to 500. Then, click continue. Attach the required supporting document. So, kailangan natin ng final and clear sample of own principal supplementary receipts or invoices. Last issued, printer certificate of delivery for subsequent application. Okay. Meron ako ditong final clear and final sample na. Galing sa printer. Okay. Review application. Ang ina-apply natin ay service invoice, 10 booklets. Okay. Then, click mag-agree sa mga declarations. Then, click submit application. Okay. Generation of authority to print is unsuccessful. Sandali. Back tayo. Kulang yung na-attach na file. Try natin ulit. Okay. Submit application. You have successfully submitted your application. So, kailangan niya pa rin ng previous ATP. Okay, meron na akong authority to print. Ganyan na lang kadali. Okay. Thank you so much guys sa pag-support sa aking channel. Kung meron pa kayong questions, pwede kayong mag-comment sa ilalim ng aking video or pwede din kayong mag-PM sa aking FB page, Tax Tutorials for MSME. Sa mga gustong mag-avail ng aking filing service, pwede din po kayong mag-PM sa akin. Kung gusto nyo mag-avail ng tutorial services, pwede kayong mag-book ng appointment. Okay? Thank you so much. Bye!